Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will see what is meant by projection, what is meant by mechanical or engineering projection we can say. Okay. So first of all, what is projection? So all these definitions I put on taken on the Google itself, but I will explain this in the simple way. Okay. So what is meant by projection? See, as an image represented that the graphical projection is a protocol, is simply a protocol, okay, for understanding only, used in a technical drawing by which an image of three-dimensional object is projected onto a planar surface without the aid of numerical calculation. So in that image, there is no any kind of numerical calculations, okay, just only a projection, how we can see the object, okay. So what is meant by projection? So suppose you are standing here. uh, I will just explain this with a simple way. Okay, so if you are standing here, okay, so you looking this object from this side, okay. So uh, if you are in the perpendicular direction, okay, so you are looking this area of this object, okay. So what you are going to see, you are going to see this image, okay, if you are standing here. So this is called as plane of projection, which means whatever you can see, it is in 2D form. What is meant by 2D form? It is represent as only two dimensions, okay. So here we have this one dimension, we can say x, and this one dimension we can say y, okay. And the projection is kept on which surface? This gray surface, light gray surface. This is called as plane of projection, okay. So this is simply a projection. We can see a 3D object into 2D object with an specific direction, okay. So this is called as a projection simply. And these parallel lines, it is nothing but the point. This line is going through like this on this plane surface. So this is called as a line of projection. Line of projection. Simply take line of projection that edges each edge of the part. See, here is the line of projection, this edge, and one edge is from this side, this one, okay. So this is line of projection, this is plane of projection, this is object, and this is your part, okay. In further types of projection you can understand easily, okay. So this is simply a projection, okay, which means that just represent the 3D object into a 2D object by seeing from particular direction, okay. So why it is used? Okay, see, worker or in company, you cannot imagine the dimension of that 3D object. You cannot imagine, okay. It is seen in the isometric view. We will see later on what is isometric view, but we cannot predict that dimension, this dimension, this dimension. We want to manufacture it also, okay. So just seeing from this side, so we will see this image and scale it as a 1:1. Means if it is a 40 mm, it is on the drawing, it is a 40 mm. If it is a 60 mm, it is a 60 mm, okay. So by viewing these three views, we can imagine this shape, okay. This is front side, this is top side, this bottom one is a top side view, and this is a we can say right hand side view, okay. So one of the skilled person or a skilled worker, we can say, he can just visualize these views, okay. Okay, it is seen from front side, it is from top side, so he can imagine this shape and the dimension putting on the these views. So ultimately, by putting the exact dimension of these views, we are getting this 3D view, because that is why we are using a projection. It is not possible to manufacture the part by seeing this only a 3D part. We can manufacture, but not accurately. The dimension, it is not accurate in the 3D part. Dimension will get accurately on the 2D parts, which is these projections, okay. So why we are using the projection? To manufacture the exact dimension part, okay. So that is why we are using a projection, okay. So there is a types of projection: orthographic projection, axonometric slash isometric. Axonometric is a isometric projection, oblique projection, and perspective projection. Okay, so we will first of all see the orthographic projection. Okay, so orthographic projection means what? Suppose we have a 3D part and we want to produce it is a 2D part. Okay, so it is a 3D representation, it is a isometric projection, and of that 3D part, if we represent it as a 2D part, so it is called as a orthographic projection. I will explain in the software also. Okay, so this is my one of the 3D part. Okay, so this is my isometric projection. But what happen if I view this part from this surface? So just I am using only one command to view this part on perpendicular to this surface. Just click here. Okay, so this is my front view and this is my orthographic projection. And what is isometric projection? Just I want to tilt, and this is my isometric projection. Just simply remember that isometric is equal to 3D, means in isometric projection you can see 3 different dimensions in isometric projection. Okay, so if I am seeing this as an isometric projection, how can I predict this isometric projection? This is one dimension I am seeing, this is another dimension I am seeing, and this is height I am seeing. Okay, so this is a iso or axometric dimension. Okay, and in orthographic projection you can see only a 2 dimension in a single view. Okay, so here we can say x and we can say y, only 2 dimensions are there. So this is my orthographic projection. See, so this is my 3D part. If you want to see 3D part from top, you can see only this type of shape. How we can see this? Just okay, if I want a top view of this, what I will do, just seeing this part from top. Okay, so you can see only the rectangle, right? Like this view normal, you can see only a rectangle. If I want to see this part from this side, we can say it is a front. Just go, I'm going to enter the command of view normal and just click on this surface. So it is like that. Okay, so it is my front view, it is my so it is my top view. And what is the left hand side view, or we can say right hand side view? This one. Okay, so just click on here, this is my right hand side view, right? So this is a different kind of views are there. The 2D view we call as a orthographic projection, and this 3D view which we called as a isometric projection. Okay, simply. So this is my isometric projection. If I want to see from top, this is my top view. If I want to see from front, so this is my front view. See, this L we are seeing here, this slot in middle, and this right rectangle is on side. So this is my front view. And where I am seeing from right side, so we can see this face only and this right side face only. See, this rectangle and this rectangle. What is dotted line for this? This edge is not seen from this side, but it is there. Okay, so it is represented as a dotted line, hidden line. Okay, so this is my 2D orthographic projection. So by Google definition is like that: the projection of a single view of an object, such as a view from front. Okay, view from front onto a drawing surface in which the lines of projection are perpendicular to the drawing surface. Okay, that is just we are already seeing from here. Okay, so like this. Okay, so this is my 3D representation and this is my orthographic representation. Okay, so this is orthographic projection. Same isometric projection. What is meant by isometric projection? By using this 3D to orthographic projection, we want to draw a 3D representation. By using 2D, we want to draw 3D. So it is called as a isometric projection. In what is meant by orthographic projection? By 3D, we are drawing 2D, means this views. And in isometric, by using 2D, we are going to draw 3D. Okay, so this is only a difference. Okay, in isometric projection. By Google definition is isometric projection is a method for visually representing three-dimensional objects into two dimensions in technical engineering drawing. It is an axonometric projection in which three coordinate axis appears equally foreshortened and angle between two them is 120 degrees. Okay, I will explain in the software. Okay, so this is my if I am seeing like this, it is my isometric projection, and what the definition suggests is like that. Just I will get a screenshot. Okay, so what definition is suggest, if I will see this object from particular view, it is I want to see is a equally appear. Okay, so this angle is mine is 30 degree, this angle is also 30 degree for isometric position. Okay, okay, my mouse is not working. Okay, this is 30 degree, and this angle is 120 degree. The whole angle we know that it is a 180 degree. Okay, so this is 30, this is 30, this is 120. So what that definition suggests is like that, for shortened and the angle between any two of them is 120 degree. Okay, so which angle, this face angle is 120 degree, and by horizontal the remaining two edges of 30 degree. So for starting the isometric drawing, we can say 3D, from 2D to 3D, we need to draw two lines. This is 30 degree line, 30 degree line, and by seeing the another dimensions, these dimensions, we can say we can draw this isometric projection. Okay, so this is a 30 degree, and what is the angle of this is 120 degree. Okay, so basically the whole definition is like this only. We want to draw 3D part from 2D part by using that 120 degree 30 degree line. Okay, why we are using this? Okay, so while seeing a 3D part also, we need to see that 3D part in a equally we can say equal faces. Okay, if it is 30 this side and it is the 60 this side, so by seeing this 3D object, we need to identify this side is 2 times of this. Okay, so for that we need to draw this part equally. So this is the method of equal 3D representation. Okay, and this is only a representation, don't bother like what it is and how it is. Okay, so while drawing this 3D 30 degree we simply using for representation only. Okay, so this is my isometric projection. Another two is only a simple projections. Okay, and that is oblique projection, and last one is the perspective projection. Okay, what is mean by oblique projection? Oblique projection is a type of isometric projection only. Okay, but what it is in that, in oblique projection, one of the face is kept on the front side, and another face is just kept tilted. Okay, it is an isometric drawing only, but what in isometric drawing, it is in tilted face like this. Okay, like this one and this one. But in oblique drawing, we can say front face is parallel to the plane of projection, and just another area of the part is tilted by 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. See, so we can tilt like that only. Okay, so it is a simple drawing process only, which is a type of isometric projection. We can see 3 dimension here also, this one, this one, this one. But here in oblique projection, the front view is a clear view, where it is the object view is similar as a oblique view. But this another view, this dimension is we cannot predict. Okay, how it is and what it is. Okay, so it is a type of projection by identifying the 3D view. So this another side is 30, 45, 60. And last one is the perspective projection, and we can say perspective projection is the type of isometric projection only. Here also we can see the 3 dimensions, but I will see the difference in perspective projection. Okay, so this is my isometric projection, and let's see if I click a perspective projection, where it is perspective. Okay, so see, this is my isometric view, and when I click on perspective view, see how it is changed. This is my isometric, this is my perspective. So no, see, this is my perspective view. See, this is my perspective view, how it is looking. And if I unclick this, so this is my isometric. So what is meant by perspective view? Just plane of seeing is somewhere here only, on a steady way. I can suggest you, like if you are staying on a 9th or 10th floor of any kind of building, okay, so what you are seeing in your area, it is a perspective view. Okay, you are seeing on a single point whatever the side buildings, gardens, and whatever the things you are seeing from the 9th or 10th floor of the building. So that view is called as a perspective view. See, so any kind of shape you can see like this only. Okay, or if any building, so it is seeing like this only. Okay, from one single point projection, so it is called as a perspective view. Okay, by definition, perspective projection is a type of drawing that graphically approximate on a planar two-dimensional surface the image of three-dimensional object so as to approximate actual visual perception, as like isometric projection. It is sometimes also called as perspective or perspective drawing or simply perspective. It is not understanding anything from this image definition, but we can see isometric projection, it is a equally 3D projection, and perspective projection is like a single point projection. Okay, just stay on your 10th or 9th floor of the building and just see around here. So whatever you are seeing is a perspective projection. Okay, hope you understand all the things. Okay, just comment and drop your questions in a comment box. Okay.